Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about this class casting. So, what is the class casting? First of all, right? So, casting already we know that to type casting or type conversion. So, what is the type casting or type conversion? Converting one data type into another data type. So, conversion of one data type into another data type is known as type casting or type conversion. So, converting one data type into another data type. So the same type. So what is the conversion of one data type into another data type? So suppose if a data type is there integer that I want to convert into float. So this is easily possible. That is the automatic conversion. But the say the opposite of that one. What is that float data type I want to convert into integer? Then externally we need to that is called as what explicit conversion. So there are the two types of conversions are there. One is called as the implicit conversion. Another one is the explicit conversion. So implicit automatic conversion, explicit by forcefully we are converting from one data type into another data type. In the same way, we can also perform the casting for the classes also. The classes also can have the casting. Nothing but what? One class object is referring to the another class object or another class. One class object is referring to another class. That is called as what? Class casting. Through class conversion, one can assign data that belongs to a particular class type to an object that belongs to another class type. Right? So what is that? So if a class contains to class A, one object is what is they given? Through class conversion, one can assign data that belongs to a particular class type to an object that belongs to another class type. So one type of class can be given the reference to another type of class. So which is already assigned to one class that is referring to the another class. That is called as what? Class casting. So let's take an example. Let the two classes are there A and B. If we want to allocate the details that belong to class A to an object of class B, then this can be achieved by B object of class B equal to A object of class A. Here equal to has been overloaded for objects of class B. So what is give the question? We want to allocate the details that belongs to class A to an object class B. So A class object belongs to B class. A class object is belonging to B class. Then we can use this is achieved by out B object of class B equal to A object of class A. This is possible by use equal symbol as performing overloading. Overloaded. This operator overloaded. So class conversion can be achieved by conversion function which is done by the use of operator overloading. Right now we'll see one example. So already I'm having for your convenience already type using namespace standard destination class that is class type 1 string A Shivashivan Degree College public string get string return A string get string type is return type. So here we are returning the type is what? String type. Get string, read a string and that we need to return. So then member function void display cout A end line. Cout A end line. So for your clarity I am giving this is from class type 1. Okay, class type 1 A end line. Then there is a source class that is class type which will be converted to the destination class type. And this one I am taking as a class type 2 string B public operator overloading which accepts the data of the destination class and assigns those data to source class. Okay, here it is the conversion of class type 2 to class type 1. Class type 1. Okay, void operator equal to class type 1A